Oh, hi. Is this Kayla's number?
Yeah, she's busy right now. Can I tell her who's calling?
Um, well, no, I don't think so. Is she gonna be back anytime soon?
I don't know. She just ran upstairs to tend to the kids for a bit.
Okay, so are you like her husband or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm surprised to hear from you. I know this is really awkward, but I'm calling this number because I found some communications between her and my husband and my husband's phone. That's why I'm calling.
What kind of messages?
They were not appropriate messages.